Hello, myself Harshati, and today I will perform the week 1 experiment of EEC lab. Okay, so this is our IC 74LS00. IC, this is our trim port of, and this is our breadboard. Now, this IC point pin 1 is connected to the VC load where we provide V 5 volt voltage. This VC pin 14 is also connected to VC, and this ground pin is connected to this ground with a black wire. So this is our trim port, and one terminal of trim port is connected to VC voltage, and second terminal with second pin of our IC, and third with ground. So this is our multimeter. Now we perform continuity test. For continuity test, we have to set the multimeter to the bit continuity sound. First of all, we check the continuity of the VC terminal 14 number pin of the IC. So for this one, we have to black wire we have to put here, and the red at here. Now this is fine. Now pin 1, now trim port pin 1 terminal 1. Okay, now we will check the ground. Ground of the trim pin is also continue. Now the ground pin of IC is also in continuity. Now we will use Adam 100 kit to supply a power of 5 volt, voltage of 5 volt. So here you can see this is 5 volt pin, and this is connected with white wire and ground with black. Now we will connect the black wire with ground, and the white which provide 5 volt voltage with voltage. Okay. Now we take the reading of the voltage with the help of multimeter. One terminal with ground, black and red, with the V in. We measure the input voltage. So input at pin 2. So here we have to set the reading to point 2. Now we will take the V out reading by connecting this to point pin 3. Now at this we will get 4.32 reading. Now we will note the reading. Now again at point pin 2, and we increase the voltage by 0.2. So now 0.04. Now again we will take the V out by connecting this to pin 3, output pin. Again 4.33. So we have recorded the
Again,
readings till 5 volt, and till point 0.6 we get 4.32, at point 0.8 we get 3.91, and from 1 volt to 5 volt we get 0.03. And by plotting these readings we draw a graph, and this is how the graph look like. This is nearly like inverter. At low input we get high output, and at high out input we get low output.